AWS Aurora is a managed MySQL and PostgreSQL service. In AWS Aurora, you can have MySQL managed by AWS, and that relieves you from a lot of management overhead. Just recently, AWS Aurora has released a new feature with MySQL, which is called as enhanced binlog. In order to understand what enhanced binlog is, let's have a quick look at what exactly is binlog. The binlog is a record of the changes made to the database and is used for a variety of workloads such as disaster recovery using read replicas, change data capture for data streaming, and event-driven architectures. I have also seen companies using it for analytics. As I was saying, AWS has now released enhanced binlog. The enhanced binlog reduces the compute overhead of enabling binlog, which in certain cases reach up to 50% and down to 13%. This in turn allows additional throughput on the same hardware. The enhanced binlog also improves database recovery time when binlog is enabled by up to 99% compared to recovery when community binlog is enabled. MySQL build log is versatile and used widely. But as I was saying, there is a performance penalty that many people observe when they enable binlog. And that is why the purpose of this enhanced binlog is to alleviate those concerns. Now, if you remember, AWS announced binlog IO cache in 2021. The binlog IO cache minimized read IO from the Aurora storage engine by keeping the most recent binlog events in its circular cache. The binlog IO cache for Aurora SQL showed more than 5 times throughput improvement. And now we have this enhanced binlog. The enhanced binlog reduces the performance overhead of enabling binlog down to 13%. So if you see on your screen, the image shows a comparison of how the transaction log and bin log events are written between community bin log, which is on the top, and then the new enhanced bin log, which is on the bottom of the picture. These changes also help improve database failover and general recovery performance when bin log is enabled. With its distributed storage layer, and Aurora MySQL is able to recover in parallel and out of order. However, when binlog is enabled, in addition to the DR or database recovery, the binlog has to be recovered to make sure it is in the consistent state. During crash recovery, when community binlog is enabled, Aurora MySQL has to read the binlog file sequentially to confirm if transactions should be rolled forward or back. This added overhead can impact total Aurora database recovery time. So the enhanced binlog adds logic in the storage layer, which makes it unnecessary for the binlog to be scanned sequentially. Instead, transactions are recovered in a more selective manner while maintaining consistency. This reduces binlog recovery time by up to 99%. Database recovery time improves from up to several minutes down to several seconds as a result. Now, if you want to enable this enhanced binlog in your database, all you need to do is to run the following command from your AWS CLI. And let me share the command. So as you can see, all we are doing from AWS CLI is we are modifying the cluster parameter group, and we are setting the value of the Aurora enhanced binlog cluster parameter to 1, and the binlog underscore backup and binlog underscore global DB cluster parameter to 0. These are static parameters, so you must reboot the writer instance for the changes to take effect. You can switch between community binlog and enhanced binlog, and Aurora MySQL will track the storage location of each binlog to provide a continuous sequence. If you decide to turn the feature off, you can do so by changing the value of these three cluster parameters and restarting the writer instance. So I hope that you like this new feature. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for watching and listening.